Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle stitch crochet. First, you will need your yarn and a crochet hook, typically a size H5, 0 mm or I5. 5 mm works well for worsted weight yarn. Begin by creating a foundation chain with a multiple of 3 plus 2 stitches. This ensures your stitch pattern will repeat correctly across your project. For your first row, double crochet into the third chain from your hook, then continue with 1 double crochet in each chain across the entire row. This establishes your base. Now, for the second row, chain 2, which counts as your first double crochet. Turn your work to prepare for the next set of stitches. To create the waffle texture, chain 2 and turn. You will now alternate between front post double crochet and regular double crochet stitches. Work 1 front post double crochet around the next post, then 2 regular double crochets into the next 2 stitches. Repeat this sequence across the row, ending with 1 front post double crochet and 1 regular double crochet in the last stitch. Continue alternating your rows, always starting with a chain 2 and turning your work. The pattern will emerge beautifully, giving you that distinct, cozy waffle texture. This stitch is quite versatile and creates a lovely, thick fabric. When you reach your desired length, simply fasten off and weave in your ends. Remember to check the description for a link to the Waffle water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.